Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Somebody from South Africa reached out to me last night and asked me about triple arbitrage, three-time arbitrage in crypto. My opinion, I'm not sure if it's worthwhile because the market's changed around a lot, but thought I'd put this project out here that it's not really a review, it's just to see what people think. Put it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let this other person know. So this is put out by this Royable guy. This is on GitHub. Crypto trading bots Python beginners advanced. So he's got this project. It's for triangular arbitrage, market making. He's got some sample code here. He's got a pretty good set of resources. Here's all the available social media, how to reach out to him. He sounds like it may not work. I've tried arbitrage. It's not really easy to do in the world of crypto. I passed this project off for feedback from somebody who does it for a living with C++ in Kraken, but this is focusing on Binance. Let me just show you more about this person. Let me know what you think. It's probably a good promotion. He's got a chain here, a YouTube channel, blockchain engineer, teaches algorithmic crypto trading. It's got some good courses. It's a popular one that looks like a big one. There are two of these: market making on Binance crypto exchange with automated software. So it's 2 years old, part one. And he's got this other one, part two, and some other ones as well. I do believe he's got a Medium link as well. Here's a source code you can get. Let me know if you try it out, because it's funny, because when I mention in the early days of certain projects, people let me know about it, and I mention it online, and it doesn't mean I have any influence. I don't, but CCXT comes to mind. That's huge everywhere now, in Python, JavaScript, whatever else. Also, backtrader.com is another one, but this is another one that somebody picked up, asked me about it. Let me know what you think about it, if it would work, if you would pursue it, what's your experience with crypto trading in arbitrage, be it not my case, but for US with Kraken or Coinbase is probably impossible these days. Let me know what you think. I'd be interested to know. And we'll leave it at that. I'll post this on my other Telegram and my chat server as well. See what people think. And if you are interested in what I do, just check out at the top there. You can see quantlabs.net/contact. And we shall talk to you later. Have a good day.